Today I'm using Trixie Pup 64 Retro ISO puppylinux Yradio application in puppylinux. Yradio is a internet radio application, and it's able to pull in more than 40,000 apparently FM radio stations, most of them without any advertisement throughout the world. And I'll go through how to install the app, and then how to use it briefly. So to install the app, what you have to do is go to the Puppy Linux forum, and I'll leave an exact link to this page. And then go down to the either app image or pet file. Pet file, I find it slightly easier, and because my machine is 64-bit, I downloaded this app pet file, so you can see it here. And then once you download it, what you do is just single click, and then it'll install it. So you want to install this package? Yes, I've already installed it. So now to start the program, we'll just go to F12 and then go down to multimedia, and then there's Yradio. So we'll just click, and here's the radio when you first install it. There'll be several radio stations already installed in favorites. So first thing is, if you don't want some particular radio station that's listed in favorites, what you do is just go ahead and click on it. There's a rock and roll here, and we'll just go ahead and remove, and then yes, but it's still here. So just to refresh the screen favorites, what you do is just load again favorites, and then rock and roll is disappeared. So that's how you there's another one down here, but that's a different station. So now to add a station, what you do is just go to, for example, go to world. You can also search for genre, different type of music, for example, and here, but we'll go to the world, and then we'll go ahead and load up the world radio stations, and then we'll just go to Republic, for example, and then load again, and then here is Republic, the world with the Republic, and then here's, because I'm Korean, I'll just go ahead and click on one of these. So Republic or Korean music, and then we'll just go ahead and add, and then we're gonna add it to the favorite, and then OK. And then we'll go, we can go ahead and play it here, for example. Just double click, and just to make sure that it is working. So you can just go ahead and pause and play by clicking here, and so it clearly does work, and we loaded it up into favorites. So we'll just go back and then go to favorites again, and then we're going to load the favorites with a load refresh, and here is just a radio station we just added. So here again, we'll just go ahead and double click. So that works. And then just to give another example, we'll just go to a jazz, and this is all the jazz stations all over the world. So we'll just go ahead and load out the jazz, and then I know the local San Diego jazz radio station is 88.3. So 88.3, we'll just go ahead and load that up and then enter or load. And then it's going to go through all the jazz stations with the 88.3. And then we can just go ahead and just look through. And then there's, so here it is, Jazz 88.3, San Diego. We'll click on it and then plus add to. And then we're going to add to favorites, okay. And then now it's added, and then we will go back to the favorites and play it from there. And then favorites again, and then we're going to load up the favorites again. And here's a San Diego Jazz Station. So we'll just double click. So that's how I use it, and you can build up favorites and any other new category if you want to create one. But that's basically how you use uh, internet radio application in puppylinux.